Well, hi everybody. Good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this May 11th early morning that does not feel like May 11th at all. We have Futurecast showing snow out there, and we have radar showing returns at this point, but likely not reaching ground. And if it is, because there are a few spots where it might be there might be some flakes reaching the ground, it's likely not sticking out here. We'll warm up over the next couple of hours, so any threat of snow will almost pretty much disappear, but we still have a chance of some light rain today. A lot of cloud cover first off, that's the biggest thing, but also a few showers are a possibility. This is not going to be a deluge. We're not going to see heavy rainfall. Very light rain, sprinkles, drizzle, that's about all we'll see here through the day today. Some of that's sticking around this evening, but after midnight I think we have a little bit better chance of some of that damp weather moving in here, so could be a little bit damp after midnight, rain and drizzle continuing into tomorrow morning. Still going to keep a chance around tomorrow morning, but as we get towards tomorrow afternoon, that chance is going to really get lower out there to where there might be a few sprinkles around, but otherwise just a lot of cloud cover out there, and all the active weather looks like it's going to be to our west. You see, look at northeast Wyoming there, maybe some thunderstorm activity there. We might get in on our chances here down the road. And in fact, I'm going to get back to that here in just a bit. But these are the next couple of days, lots of cloud cover, cool temperatures. In fact, today highs struggling, barely above 40 in southwest Nebraska. We'll go with mid to upper 40s in the Tri-Cities. Could see a few places into the 50s off towards the east. Tonight, hopefully staying warm enough that I don't think we'll have to be threatened with sub-freezing temperatures. Still down around 34 or 35 out west. Tri-Cities upper 30s to near 40. So I don't think we'll see the sub-freezing temperatures like what we saw yesterday morning. In fact, most of us did not see that this morning. That was the good news, is that we didn't have to see that 2 nights in a row. But our overnight lows are going to start to get warmer as well as our highs. Now tomorrow still going to be on the cool, chilly side out there, upper 40s, lower to mid 50s, maybe a little warmer in far eastern and far western Nebraska, but most of us still struggling for tomorrow. Tomorrow night, the lows getting a little bit warmer, staying in the 40s. So again, I think we're done with these 30s for a while here. And then as we get into Wednesday, how about that? We're starting to get a little warmer, 60s and even some 70s out towards the west. And along with that, we may start to talk about some rain and thunderstorms in the forecast. And in fact, I want to bring you the severe weather outlook as we look towards down the road towards not that day right there. Sorry about that. As we look towards Wednesday, we got the right graphic in there. So the Storm Prediction Center has us under a slight risk for severe weather from the Tri-City south and eastward, and marginal risk for much of the rest of the area. And this will be more towards Wednesday night, not so much during the day Wednesday, but by 6 p.m. onward Wednesday, so into the overnight hours. Right now it looks like the primary threat would be large hail. I don't think we'll see another big threat other than large hail. Something we'll watch for as we get towards Wednesday night here. So rain and thunderstorms are returning to the forecast. So let's check out that. First off, the 3-day forecast here. Again, chilly the next couple of days. It gets a little bit better on Wednesday. Still some rain around, and then as we get towards again Wednesday evening, maybe some thunder and lightning and possibly some severe weather during the evening and overnight hours. That wraps up by early Thursday morning. So I think Thursday should be mostly a dry day. We'll be looking at a mix of clouds and sun, warmer temperatures as we get into the lower 70s. Now, a better chance of rain and thunderstorms comes back in for your Friday, and we're going to cool things down a little bit back into the 60s for Friday. Still a slight chance of rain and thunderstorms on Saturday, but we do warm it up a little bit more, closer to 70. And then I'm going to go with dry weather for now for Sunday, and we're back into the 70s. So the weekend will be a better one than what we saw this last weekend. And then look downrange a little bit here. If you like summer-like weather, that's what's in store early next week here. So we say goodbye to the chill of early this week, and we start to say hello to some warm temperatures for next week. And basically what's going to happen is a large ridge, a dome of high pressure, is going to build over the middle part of the country, helping temperatures soar into the 80s. There may be some 90s for some of the viewing area, especially towards Tuesday there. And then it looks like later next week, as we get towards the 21st and 22nd of the month, maybe beyond, some forecast models are hinting at us setting up to more of a favorable weather pattern, that we could see more severe weather, more favorable chances of severe weather, a lot more instability. I'm seeing it in the long-range trends that we might start to be talking about severe weather chances really starting to ramp up for the basically the final third of the month of May here. We may get into that type of a weather pattern. So you know what? May will start acting a little bit more like May down the road, just not these next couple of days here. So Well, with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thanks for watching on this Monday morning. Stay warm out there. I had to come back into work here and turn on the heater. The air conditioner was on, and it was cold in here this morning. I said, yeah, we need the heater for the next couple of days. But stay warm out there. We'll get there. We're going to warm back up here in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to y'all later. God bless. Bye.